Yes, what a bright morning and a cool morning as well to each and everyone. You are watching Metro Design Real channel. We're heading into Dumangas today. I'm waiting for someone, and just a few minutes from now, we're gonna go there. That is the birthplace of my mother. She was born and raised. I'm so excited. Finally, we touched down after 15 minutes of a long drive. Actually, not a long drive, and there's no traffic. This is the pavement that heading into our barangay or the barangay of my mother, and that is the rice field. This woman stays in our house for almost 4 years. Now she's here. I'm really missed her for how many years? Flow away from Manila, and this occasion just very important to us. Did you remember her? It's only the very important visitor. Introduce yourself. Say hi to my channel.
Hello, I'm Ami.
Vegetation will have not be completed without drinking session. Another members of the family, and is also a perfect occasions because they are celebrating baptism for her apo. Look at her. What a tremendous occasion today. This is the baby that gonna be baptized today. Another food treat. It is not yet lunchtime, but every houses that we visit, we always see full of food. Well guys, you don't have to be worried because in this community, my mother was a large family member. So that's why you're not ashamed of it. Every houses that you're gonna come in, because all of them are her nephews and nieces and all of our relatives. Look at these people, guys. They're already getting increasing of the visitor. And I cannot hear anything because the sound is everywhere, and every house says there's always a karaoke. Karaoke is life. Since I'm already full as of now, I only pick salad. Salad is everywhere in every houses. For me, in every occasions, this is I'm always what I'm looking for. Any kinds of versions or variety as long it is salad. I really love to look good. Enjoy eating. Parrot, parrot. To be honest, guys, I cannot count the houses that we are already eating, and now another house that we're gonna heading into, another salad to be explored. This is what you call the real occasions, a real fiesta. Batch of house that we're gonna eat. Let's go follow the leader.
Dili makugay na magalin. Ato mo
Okay.
sa mga bisita ito.
Wow.
Ha? Ay da si Lola nyo nule. Ato to. Kapanyagar.
Looks like
Ha?
there's many visitors here. Look at this. Wow, talaba. Everybody is enjoying talaba. Whoa. Now, the person that really we are looking for. Who can say no to this feast? And you're really satisfied for your cravings.
Ari akong bata ako tatlo, apat na. O nga na rin na, nagtirikot na kami niyo. Ari na rin. Ano nga, malama po ang doon sa muli. Ay,
Another family to visit and another food treat. Look at what we have. In every table, in every houses that we visit, they have different varieties of food. Before getting home, we want to be sure that the rest of the family is visited. That's why we're gonna transit or transfer to another relatives because this is only once in a lifetime. This is not the last stop house that we're gonna visit. That is our cousin because they having also baptism. Look at the visitor around. This is the mother of the baby is being baptized today. This is the baby. Look. It's giveaways of a baptism today aside from the fiesta that they're celebrating. And a beautiful cake. Simple but classy. Finally, we back to the base before we getting home. This is the last stop that we're gonna eat. Actually, I'm not gonna eat because I'm totally full. We're gonna visit for the last time our family before getting home. Eat it without sing along or karaoke. I am totally speechless, guys, for the house that we are eating. Well, what can you say about the content for today? If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're not familiar to me, please consider to subscribe and smash that bell button so that you will be uploaded in the latest video and support this content. If you have any comments, drop down in the comment section. If you have also the time, please share this to anyone and to your friends especially. And give also a thumbs up if you like this episode. See you later.